Hi everyone, it's me Amia Z28 and we are having a new video where today we are going to do some stuff that's really fun. So first you need to go on difficulty easy and first person. This is Minecraft PE. So I never beat my dog. And so yesterday I was so happy because I got my first comment. My first ever comment. This actually looks like the middle finger. Goodbye. Hold on, I need this. I don't want this to look like the middle finger. Maybe my friend did that. So we're going to go to the beach. Just that way. That way. I'm going to go on my horse though. Which horse? I'll never go on this one. Which one are you attached to on this one? No. There you go. Ride. Open this. Open. Open. Okay. Let me put this. So it's really been fun today and yesterday. It was kind of really happy to me. It was really happy because I got my first comment. It was like, Mia, give me some food. If you did that, oh my gosh, that was so funny. I almost peed my pants. So, whoever did that and sent me that, you spelled my name wrong, but it's also pretty funny. Thank you. I don't know what I meant, but it's fine. So, we're going to the beach today. Beach. Because I need to go work. I need to go to work, even though I'm not playing with nobody. I'm going to work. You stay here. He works with me. That's why he has red and white with me. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'll give you a bone later, okay? Oh god. Can't even go in this chair. Okay. So that's there because I was gonna do something on YouTube. I was gonna do something with my friend Anna, which she is also on my YouTube channel. She's like another person. It's the same thing as like Mario and Luigi, like that. She's another person in my crew. I have 3 people in my crew, but since it's my YouTube channel, it doesn't say their name, so it just says me. So this is here because we're going to do like a movie-ish. It's gonna be here on my channel. If you want to see it, it's actually going to be here. We're actually gonna make the movie today. Is this a baby one?
Mhm.
Yeah, cool. I said that my dog can have a bone. That's my dog. Oh, I didn't know you were standing up. Sit. Do you want your food? I'll give you a steak.
It's not your dog.
I'll give you a steak. Yes, it's my dog. See? Hey, you come here. This one's a strong one.
He was kind of dabbing.
My doggy loves me. Sorry. Ah! Why is this that doing it? Ah! His tail got up a little. Bruh, I'm not doing that. Se me paró. You want steak or not? Stay. Stay. Okay, let's go home. Need my horse. Horsey, horse. Horse. And this rat home. Alone. Ah! What? Backwards.
Upside down, you mean?
Okay. Whatever. Same thing. My brother's here. If that's okay. Is she leashed?
Yeah.
No, she's not. Well, she is, but she's not inside. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. It might be raining today. Gosh. I'm gonna hit her in the booty. Hit her in the booty again. Go inside. Go inside.
You should make doors there.
I did.
Just ride her inside.
I can't because the leash is... I'll just take it off for a second. How many dogs do?
Just gonna ride, and take her inside.
Okay, go inside. She refuses to go inside. She refuses to go inside.
What armor did you put on them?
Nothing.
Leash, leash, leash.
Come on, dog. Let's go. Yeah. So today I said it was gonna be fun because we are going to do a challenge. Next video we're going to do the Minecraft movie, which is pretty exciting. At like 10:30, I think. No, not even. At like 2:30. Sorry, my brother's doing some noises, which I don't want. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please put a thumbs up. Press that thumb with your thumb, and I'll see you next time. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, oh my gosh, I'm going to your house and again hugging you as hard as I can, but not until you die. Bye.